Welcome back. Coming to question number 10. If u is equals to 4, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, a is equals to 7, 8, 11, 12, and b is equals to 4, 8, 12, 15, then verify De Morgan's law of complementation. So this involves the law of De Morgan of complementation that states A union B whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. This is the first law of complementation. This is union, and A intersection B whole dash equal to A dash union B dash. So we are to follow these two laws and prove it. So we are already given with the u value, the A value and the B value. U is 4, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16. A is equals to 7, 8, 11, 12, and B is equals to 4, 8, 12, 15. Now we apply the first De Morgan's law, that is A union B whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. So again, as you know, we have been following 5-step process. So the first step is A union B, and the next step is A union B whole dash. So we take left hand side first. It is A union B whole dash. That is, we write all the values of A union with all the values of B. So we write the values 4, 7, 8, 11, 12, 15. Then we come to A union B whole dash. 4, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16 minus 4, 7, 8, 11, 12, 15, 17. Okay, now what we are going to do is, the elements that are in both, we are going to underline them. 7, 8, 11, 12. So the remaining element are 10 and 16. Now we are going to the third step, that is RHS. So RHS states 4, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16 minus 7, 8, 11, 12. So as you can see, the elements that are not in this, we underline the common element first. Okay, 4, 10, 15, 16. Fine. Next we are coming to B dash. We write all the elements of B, that is U minus B, 4, 8, 12, 15. So as you can see, 4 is common in both, 8 is common in both, 12 is common in both, and 15 is common in both. So we subtract them, it becomes 7, 10, 11, 16. Then we find intersection of both. 10 is common in both and 16 is common in both. Hence the answer is 10, 16 for the fifth step. So as you can see, second step and fifth step both are equal. Hence therefore the condition is proved. So 2 equal to 5. Hence proved. Now the next part. Now as you can see, we are coming to the next part of it, that is A intersection B whole dash equal to A dash union B dash. So A intersection B, so anything that is common is intersection. So 8 is common, 12 is common. So we can take out 8 and 12, so it becomes 8, 12. So A intersection B is 8, 12. Now when we find dash, we write U minus whatever given, that is 8, 12. So when we find the minus part of it, it becomes 4, 7, 10, 11, 15, 16. Because 8 is common in both and 12 is common in both. So the leftover elements are this. Because A dash we just found in the previous part, so we can as it is write as it is. Okay. Then B dash equal to 7, 10, 11, 16, and then we find union. As you can see, union 4, 7, 10, 11, 15, 16. So the the second part is equal to the fifth part. Hence the condition is being proved. Thank you. Subscribe the channel for latest update. If you have any comments to make, you can make it. Negative, positive, whatever it is, or if you want any particular video, you can ask for it. Thank you.